Sick Week is Florida. You drive the coast basically to a lot of the faster tracks up south where it's, usually this is your downtime to work on your car, but why not put Sick Week right here and race?
Sick Week is Tom Bailey's creation, and I think with the time of year that we're looking at, this could be one of the best drag and drive events ever.
Sick Week is seems like it's going to be the best of the best out here. It's going to be really cool to see everybody that's been invited and coming on their own. The level of performance is going to be insane.
As we go forward, I think it's going to be one of your top level drag and drive events.
Sick Week is a vacation. It's my sick week from work. So that's what Sick Week is for me.
Oh, Sick Week is they messed up my winter is what Sick Week is. Yeah, it was, so for me it was a 3,000 drive to get here, but it was Florida in February. I've never been to Florida in February and don't have a truck and trailer, so this was a huge adventure that had to be had.
Testing so far is great. The track's holding all kinds of 7s. It's really loud, but yeah, all good. They're really doing a good job on the track.
It didn't blow up yet, and we didn't wreck yet. So we don't plan on doing either one. But it's going good. The car, it's not rattling the tires, it's not spinning. It's just hitting boost cut right now. So we got a different map sensor, a bigger map sensor, and hopefully we can get up and get another tested in, go real fast.
I'm Dave Schroeder. We're running Sick Week this week, but here to talk to you about Sick the Magazine. Badass magazine about drag and drive cars. You gotta subscribe to it. You've never seen anything with so much content and so many badass real cars.
TBM Brakes putting on the pre-party going on at the Freedom Factory right now. You can go check that out. It's located right next door. We figured you didn't want to walk far.
Factory. Just hanging out. Cars are parked, car show, and drinking some ice cold snacks. Not too bad of a day.
Cars, people, good weather. Nice. It's not super warm, but it'll work.
Sick week, coming in hot.
Saw a car jump over like 10 other cars, land on the side. Like, it was cool. All kinds of fun stuff happening.
This sticker is dangerous and inconvenient. They're going on the 6th.
Fruit cake.
It'll probably be faster now.